In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Yahoo homepage back to classic view. If you prefer the simpler, classic layout of Yahoo, especially in Mail, here's how to switch back. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Yahoo sign-in page. If you see accounts that you've used before, select the one you want to use. Otherwise, choose to sign in with a different account. Before you sign in, confirm you're on the official Yahoo website by checking the address bar for the correct domain and the padlock icon. If your browser offers to save your password, only accept that on a trusted personal device. Type in your email address carefully, double checking for typos, and continue. On the next screen, enter your password. If you use two-step verification, complete that as prompted. When you're signed in, you'll land on the main Yahoo page. Look to the upper right corner and click Mail to open your inbox. Once Yahoo Mail loads, head to the top right and click the settings gear icon. A quick settings panel will appear. From there, choose More Settings at the bottom to open the full settings page. On the left side of the full settings view, look for the option that says Switch to Basic Mail. This is the classic, lightweight interface that many people prefer for speed and simplicity. Click Switch to Basic Mail. A confirmation prompt may appear to make sure you want to continue. Click Switch to Basic Mail again to apply the change. Your mailbox will reload using the basic layout. You should notice a cleaner design with fewer animations and a straightforward list of messages, which often performs better on older computers or slower connections. All your folders, messages, and settings stay intact. This change only affects how things look and load. If something doesn't change right away, give the page a moment to refresh or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on a Mac to reload. A couple of tips as you go. If you can't find the settings gear, make your browser window full screen so the icons aren't hidden. If the basic option is invisible, you might already be using it, or the interface may have been updated. In that case, revisit the settings panel to confirm your current view. You can switch back to the full version at any time from the same settings area. That's it. You signed in, opened Mail from the Yahoo homepage, went into settings, and switched to basic Mail to get that classic feel. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined Yahoo experience.